Assemblée, c'est pour nous rassembler. Engagement, coalition,
oh haïtien rassemblés, tout concerné. Tout ça pas bon, tout ça pas bien passé. C'est tout qu'à prier.
Haiti was struck by a horrific earthquake. The devastation was of epic proportion. So many people lost their lives. People become orphans. And also, as we speak, there are about more than 1 million people that are still living under the tent, in need of basic necessities like water, food, and access to medical care. Haiti was granted on the aftermath of the earthquake. Haiti was granted TPS, which is temporarily protected status, which allows the Haitian people who have been living in the United States to stay legally in the United States and to work and to provide for their family. But the TPS is set to expire on July 22nd this year. But the situation in Haiti is still critical. And let me say that other countries like Nicaragua, El Salvador, Somalia, have been granted TPS. They had the TPS renewed several times. What we are just asking for fairness. And I think that Haiti needs to be treated, equally. That the reason we want to ask the federal government to renew and to extend the TPS donation.
Thank you, Dr.
All items.
Order.
All yes.
And consumer that one, the chairman of the Immigration Committee, and all my colleagues on this great committee. Today we are going to vote on Resolution 648, and I'm asking all my colleagues to support this great resolution. You all remember that on January 12, 2010, Haiti was struck by a horrific earthquake, and the devastation was of epic proportion. Many people lost their lives, and if we talk in terms of monetary cost, that cost was estimated to be between 9 billion to 14 billion. And as we speak, the people in Haiti are still living under the threat, and the situation is still critical. We want to ask the federal government to renew the TPS for Haitians and other populations who have been living in the United States to have the resolution to stay while Haiti is struggling to recover and to heal. I urge my colleagues to vote yes on the resolution 648. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other? Next we'll move on to Resolution 648-A, an amended resolution calling upon the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security to extend the temporary protected status designation of Haiti and eligible Haitians, which is now set to expire on July 22nd, 2011, amended and adopted by the Committee on Immigration. All in favor say aye. Aye. All opposed say nay. Any exceptions? The ayes have it. Last but not least, please consider Resolution 708, resolution calling upon the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Assemblée, c'est pour nous rassembler. Engagement, coalition,
Oh haïtien rassemblés, tout concerné. Tout ça pas bon, tout ça pas bien passé. C'est tout qu'à prier.